Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to view the goods delivery order list in Fresh application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresh application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, we go to the warehouse module. Select the goods delivery order menu under the warehouse module. Here, we have to provide the details as date range and enter the required details. Then click on the submit button to view the report. Goods delivery order list will be displayed on the screen. We can download the report. Just click option menu and using the download option, choose the CSV format. This is how to view the goods delivery order list. Thanks for watching.